The Canonical Gospels and the Book of Acts from the 22nd of the 8th month of 1446. Manichaeism helped direct the organization of Christianity. Matthew saw the conflict as of fulfillment and perfection of humanity. Mark starts with a secret of interpretation in ways that are more politically. Luke and Acts are probably by the same person for others in ministry. Anticipation is made towards a mission of continuing authority. John is probably first and closer to an origin and claims of what was proclaimed openly. Either they are all synoptic, or they are not dependent and contradictory. Exorcism, riddles, and prophecy are not always required for the mystic. Gnosticism comes through in communities. And by Gnosticism, I do not mean to say that we necessarily are talking about Gnostics here. And the Persian term for Manichaeism is any money. And it wasn't that Manichaeism is a religion that Christianity was per se bouncing its ideas off of, but it was cemented before Christianity coalesced into basically one church. There were different churches, but basically Christianity was one church later. And so because of the power of that movement, it probably more solidified Christianity in what it responded to. And the differing opinions in Christianity, again, solidified the main opinion.